this is Hans the Ramen Rater coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time. So I've done almost 3,000 instant noodle reviews, and basically I'm imparting my knowledge that I've gained from doing said reviews to you, so you can enjoy your instant noodles a little bit more. Today I'm going to be checking out a new product. I'm going to do that again tomorrow too. We have something that was sent by a guy named Robert Z. What's up, dude? He runs dadbert.com. That's DADBERT.com. It's a nickname his kids gave him. But he does a lot of cool cooking stuff, so definitely check out his site. But he lives in Kentucky, and he found these. Check that out. Cup noodles, souped up. Roasted chicken. Now, I haven't seen hide nor hair about this on Nissin's website or anywhere else for that matter. So this is kind of interesting. And I'm going to be doing another one that was found that was kind of similar tomorrow. So, alright, let's do this how you're supposed to do it. I'm going to go with the microwave instructions, which say, let's see. It's saying, you take the lid off and you do it for, oh, it's 2.5 minutes. Really? I thought it was 3.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. Oh, on high. Let's stand for 1 minute. So here's a peek at what's in here. Hopefully you can see that. There's quite a bit of dehydrated chicken in here, which is pretty neat. The Very Veggie has a lot of dehydrated vegetables. So we'll see how it goes. Let's add some water. About right. That is the fill line right there. Alright, that looks good to me. Ah, there. And now this goes in for 2.5 minutes. Alright, so that's going. I thought maybe to go along with it, I don't know, we'll see once it's done, perhaps some scrambled egg and maybe a touch of spring onion. We'll see. If that might not work at all with this, I really have any idea. I'm clueless on this one, as you probably are. So anyways, yeah, so let's get this timer ready to do a minute once that one goes off. And yeah, so let's see what's going on in the world of the Ramen Rater. Well, we went up to Canada and I visited a place called Beta 5, and they're a chocolatier up there. I read something about how they had a chocolate bar that had noodles in it. And so I was like, hey, do you have any I could review or try out? And they said, well, how often do you make it up here? And we go up to Canada all the time. We go to Richmond, BC, which is basically like, it might as well be a borough of Vancouver. So anyways, went up there, went to the place. They gave us a couple of those, and we bought some chocolate. Pretty expensive, but I tried the noodle bar. It's a nice, tasty chocolate. It's not sugary like a Hershey's bar. It's not all that sugar. It's got more savor to it, I guess. The bar includes, what was it? Crunchy ramen bits and peanuts with togarashi, which is, you probably see me use it. It's a Japanese kind of shake-on spice blend. The spiciness isn't extreme. It's got a little bit of a sesame hit too. She said it was kind of like a dan dan noodle. That was the idea behind it. That's pretty good. So if you're in the Vancouver area and you want to get a candy bar, there is Beta 5. They're on, I believe, Industrial Avenue. Yeah, neat little building they're in too. It's pretty cool. What else did we do? Oh, I figured out this weekend. 1 minute to go. How to make my mom's recipe that she made when I was a kid, and that was pretty cool. I was always using butter to make it, right? Well, I don't think it was butter. I think it was oil. And when I tried doing it with oil, you probably saw that. I think that was the last video I did, maybe the video before last. But yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna do a new the best instant noodle recipe of all time video pretty soon. Doing it that way because it's so much better than the way I was doing it before. It just wasn't getting crisp, and you got to use a little oil to make it crisp. So. And I got the right ramen. I got the actual Nissin. Where is this? Right here. Well, you'll see it soon. The Nissin chicken ramen. So yeah, that'd be pretty cool. And 3, 2, 1, and we are done. All right, let's get this cup out of the microwave. It looks like a cup of noodles, but definitely not your standard, as your standard definitely has a lot less going on in it. Smells good. Smells like chicken noodle soup. It definitely got right up to the line in the microwaving. But that's all right. Whoa, let go. All right, so yeah, that's the best way to do it. I usually like to dump things into a pot and then dump them in. So let's see, let's look in the bowl. Turn up the brightness. Here we are. Give that an extra stir in the pot. Actually, I'm gonna try it first. Nom nom nom. Miles saying nom nom nom. Hey Miles, how you doing? Nom nom nom. These noodles are a little bit broader than your standard cup noodle fare. Alright. Noodles have a pretty good texture to them. As for the broth, it's all right. Tastes like chicken. Here's a piece of something here. A potato. Now, potato in a ramen noodle soup, that generally makes me, I'm not angry with it, but I always think like, really? That's kind of bold. And here, I believe, is one of the pieces of chicken. All right. It's got that kind of standard flavor of rotisserie chicken you get at the grocery store. Which, hey, you know, if that's what you're looking for in roasted chicken, that's perfect. All right. All right. So, and then I have these eggs that I scrambled right here. So I'm going to put some of that on. I think this will actually work quite well. And honestly, it's too bad that it doesn't have them in it already. Drop some egg on top. I just can't resist. I have to put something green on top of everything. Even if it's light green. Just gives it a little something extra, you know? And everything needs a little something extra. Alright, so there we go. Let me give you a nice money shot of that. So yeah. Anyways, well, cool. Thanks again to Robert for shooting these over. And hey, thank you for watching. If you like these videos, please click subscribe, click that little bell, and you'll find out whenever I'm coming out with one. I usually come out with one of these a day, so yeah, so here's a couple other things to check out, and thank you very much for watching, and this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.